Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ujuvemekaaj. If this is your first time of seeing me or tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to get notified anytime I upload my new videos. And for those of you, my UJV family, thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for your love and support. I truly appreciate it all. May God bless you. In this video, I am just going to show you how I do my makeup routine. Yes, I'll be using some of the UJVbeauty products, which is the UJV foundation and the UJV concealer. I will also use my makeup kit set brush in this video, so you see the brush that is specified for a particular product, like the foundation brush, the concealer brush, and the eyeshadow brushes that you can use to set your eyeshadow. Yes, just keep up with the video and enjoy. I hope you guys had a wonderful celebration with your family this new year, and yes, thank you very much. Kindly enjoy the video. So beautiful people, this is the end result of my makeup tutorials. I hope you guys love it because it is looking beautiful. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so we can keep the UJV family growing. Thank you once for watching. God bless you. I love you all. Bye bye for now.